Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to blend two images for that eye-catching double exposure look in Canva? Click the Create button, then choose Custom Size. Enter 300 by 300 pixels and confirm. Next, navigate to the Elements tab and search for a photo. Select this photo from the options displayed to use in your project. Place the image on the side, then use the Background Removal tool to erase the background before proceeding to the next step in editing. Add a background to this area using the provided image. Once the background is set, proceed to the next step by navigating to the Apps section. Search for Reflection or Easy Reflections in the plugin marketplace to find the tools you need to add clean reflection effects to your design. Click the object, then click Create Reflection. Select the left option from the menu. Set the offset value to 82 to position the reflection exactly as required for your design. Set the opacity to 100%, then click the Add to Design button to apply your changes. This will make your element fully visible on your project. Delete the old image by selecting it and pressing the Delete key or clicking the trash icon. Next, click the new image to select it. Drag the corners outward, or use the resize handles to expand the image to your desired size on the canvas. Select the Position tool, then navigate to the Layers panel. Once there, duplicate the image to create an identical copy for further editing. Press Ctrl+D on your keyboard to deselect the selection. Next, save the image by clicking File, then Save As, and choose your preferred location and format. Next, click the Text tool in the toolbar. Then click on the canvas where you want to add text. Type sunset into the search bar, then press enter to quickly find images, videos, or articles related to sunsets. Next, select the font drop-down menu and choose Scratch from the list to update your text font style. Type Scratch in the text box. Next, we'll change the font to the one we want to use for this text. Click on the font drop-down and select your desired font from the list. Now, you'll notice the previous placeholder font or text is no longer needed, so go ahead and delete it. This keeps your workspace organized and ensures only your current text and font are visible. Increase the text size by selecting the text box, then adjusting the font size using the toolbar's font size option. This is the final result you'll see. Click the Share button, then select Download. To improve quality, increase the size before downloading. This ensures your file is high resolution and looks better when shared or printed. Try out the double exposure effect in Canva and see what you can create. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more tips.